Let me tell you something nobody over 50 wants to hear. That coffee you drink every morning, it's not waking you up. It's borrowing energy from later in the day and charging you interest. I know everybody's grandfather drank coffee. Everybody's doctor never said a word about it. It's normal, it's what you do. But normal is why half the guys my age are wired and tired by 10, crash by 2, and then they can't sleep at 11 p.m. I stopped, and what I replaced it with changed more in 6 months than anything else I tried over the last decade. Picture two guys my age, 61, both retired from the same career, both used to be sharp. One still runs on coffee, black, 3 cups before he's even eaten. By mid morning, he's jittery. By afternoon, he's foggy. By night, he's staring at the ceiling and wonder why he can't sleep even though he's exhausted. The other guy changed one thing. One, now he wakes up clear, he stays steady all day, and sleeps like he's got nowhere else to be. Same age, same body clock ticking, completely different mornings. The difference isn't willpower, it isn't some $200 supplement stack. It's one drink made one specific way that most people have never even considered. Ready? Green tea, honey, lemon, cinnamon, cayenne pepper. Say that out loud and it sounds like nothing. That's exactly why nobody does it. 5 things: no pill, no powder, no monthly subscription, or some guy on Instagram is trying to sell you something he's trying to sell you. Green tea for a clean lift with no crash. Honey for taking the edge off without the sugar spike. Lemon for waking up your digestion and flooding your body with vitamin C before you've eaten a single thing. Cinnamon for keeping your blood sugar levels instead of letting them swing. Cayenne for waking up your circulation before you even left the bedroom. Green tea, honey, lemon, cinnamon, cayenne pepper. 5 ingredients, 5 jobs, nothing wasted, nothing complicated. Because most guys won't try this because it's not dramatic enough. Nobody wants to believe that something this simple actually works. We want to complicate this. We want the complicated fix, the 12-step program, the thing that costs money so it feels like it must be doing something. Here's the truth nobody's selling you. The guy who feel better after 50 aren't doing more, they're doing less, but doing it on purpose. So, how do you make it? Simple. Brew the tea. Don't boil it, just under it, or you burn the leaves and it turns bitter. Stir in a teaspoon of honey. Actually, I'll use a little bit more. Use it to taste while it's still hot. Squeeze in a slice of lemon, fresh lemon, not the bottle stuff, fresh cut before you're using it. A pinch of cinnamon, not a spice cake, just a pinch. A small pinch of cayenne that you can manage. Start small. You can always add more, but you can't take it back. Stir that 30 seconds. Drink it slow. I'm not selling you guys tea. I'm not selling you anything. What I'm telling you is this: the guys who are still sharp, still steady, still themselves at 60, beyond, didn't get there by accident. They got there because they stopped doing what everybody else does and start doing what actually works. Try this for 7 days. Not one, 7. Give it a real shot. If it changes your mornings the way it changed mine, you already know what to do. Tell somebody. That's OG Wellness. No BS. It's just what works.